Hello everyone again, this is Mr. Loy. This is the scoring for the 4 different scenarios. In scenario 4, actually there's a sub-scenario, okay, there's a secondary task. So take note that scenarios 1 and 2 are the same. Scenario 3 has slightly higher scoring chance because the level of difficulty is slightly higher, and also the risk is actually higher than scenarios 1 and 2. Of course, scenario 4 will have the higher scoring chance, okay? So higher scoring chance comes with increased risk. So you really got to talk among yourselves within the same detail, alright, who are the 4 pilots to take on the 4 scenarios. Now you can see the overall picture here. On your far left is basically scenario 1 and 2. So they are actually generally the same, okay? Just that the grab food items represented by the legend here, alright, the pentagon blue shapes, your grab food items. So basically the pilot will be at the takeoff point, alright, for the first team and the second team, alright. I'm not going to call team 1, team 2 because in case you think that it's actually team 1 and team 2, okay. So you can see the first and second team, the pilots are positioned at the takeoff point. The same routine that you have done since lesson 2, okay. So everything is the same to prepare you for the final real world challenge, okay. So what you need to do, of course, you will have to wait for the ATC to fix up the magnetic retriever, and then to retrieve the so-called grab food item and deliver at the landing point for your retriever to actually gently take the so-called grab food item, okay. So you can see that scenario 3 and scenario 4 has slightly more stuff to look at, right, especially this hoop here, alright. So the hoop here presents the challenge, alright. The hoop, remember lesson 3, you try to fly past the hoop, is not that easy. So let's zoom into scenario 1 and 2, they are the same. So the hypothetical situation here, of course, is that the Typhoon Vera is actually hit the Southeast Asia countries, and basically there are many floods here, especially inland, and people are stuck, okay, so at a rooftop, residential building and stuff like that. So rescue teams are approaching, but it takes a while to save as many people. So you are actually to pilot the drones to pick up the grab food items and deliver to them at the rooftop, okay, rooftop meaning your landing pad. So the retriever, of course, is one of the so-called flood victims, okay, waiting to be rescued, okay. So you have to only pick up one grab food item at one run, okay, each run, okay. So you can see basically you look at the mission here is once you pick up the grab food item, alright, you get 10 points, and you deliver it at the landing pad. Your retriever gently takes the grab food item, you get the 10 points again, alright. Now what happened to the retriever, alright, the drone is already landed at your landing point, so what you do is quickly move to the takeoff point, and then you let the pilot fly a second run, okay, and then you repeat as many times as possible, alright, stated here, as many times as possible within the given time frame of 5 minutes, and of course until the battery runs flat, whichever is earlier, okay. So of course when your drone battery is flat, where you cannot fly anymore, right, you just stop lah, okay. So it's considered low risk is because you just need to be careful that there's a second team flying the grab delivery as well, okay. So that is generally the case. So the detail here is that the drones to land at the landing pad or landing point or near the landing pad is considered a success. So don't get too worried about how far is it from the landing pad. As long as I see, or the ATC or Mr. Ong or another teacher sees that it's near the landing pad, it's considered okay, good, right? So retriever just take the grab food item. So the retriever will remove the grab food item from the magnet, from the magnetic retriever, and then place the drone at the top. At the top here is takeoff point again, okay, for the pilot to go for his next run. So you hold on to retriever, hold on to the grab food until the time is up or the drone battery is flat, okay. So this is for scoring for scenario 1. So you can actually score as many times as multiples of 20, for example, okay. So the successful second run will help you get 40 points, okay, for you, your team, and also for your detail. Yes? Oh, hi. I'm Captain Loy here. Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, we are in a dire situation, alright? I'm actually the commander in charge of the South sector, and of course with our joint US and Singapore operations, I'm here to direct some of the search and rescue operations. So without delay, I will need you guys to form two teams, Alpha and Beta, and I need you to pilot the drone to pick up grab food items, okay, and deliver them to this designated sites. Now, at the moment, we have 4 victims at the rooftop of for the Alpha team, and also we have 2 victims plus 2 elderly, total 4 at for the Beta team. We are taking care of this other group, all right, for the next run. So what I'd like you to do is to make sure you deliver the grab food item ASAP after your first run, all right. Restart the drone and pick up as many grab items so that our poor friends here, all right, they don't suffer too much, all right, based on the disaster and also the weather and the rain conditions. So all the best, pilot. Good luck.